Hey, my name is Jacob and I'm the Unity instructor here at Artech Camps. Today I just wanted to run you through a real quick video on the Unity system requirements and getting it all installed and set up and getting you ready to go for the camps. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is head over to unity.com or a quick Google search for Unity. The top result will be the website we're looking for. And you should be brought to a page kind of like this. You can just click on the blue Get Started button either in the middle of the page or in the top right. And that will open up a new tab that will bring you to all these super expensive paid plans. But all you got to do is select the individual tab. I don't know why business is selected first, but it is. And you'll see that they have two free versions. The student one is great if you really get into it, but you have to wait to get approved and take some time. For now, the personal edition is just as perfect. It does everything the paid version does, as long as you're making less than $100,000 in the last year. So I think that should be good for everybody. And you can just click again the blue Get Started button. And then you're brought to a page kind of like this. And it's a little weird. They don't outright tell you where to download it, but it's at the very top of the page under Returning Users. And you can just click the faded Go Here button. And then you were brought up so your regular agreeing to terms and conditions. Right underneath this is a super important part. And this just shows you the system requirements for Unity for editing. It's a little uh, bland, I guess, a little generic, but pretty much any modern day laptop or PC will be able to run Unity just fine. So we can just check the I agree checkbox and download Unity Hub. And the download will start, and once it's finished, then you can just open it up. So once Unity Hub is installed, then you'll probably be prompted to create an account or to log in. You should be able to log in with a Gmail account, or you can make a Unity account. And then after that, then you'll have no versions, no projects. It might ask you to install a new version. Again, I already have versions installed, so the easiest way would be to go on the left-hand side, go to the Installs tab, and then up in the top right, click the blue Add button. And this will show you all of the officially released Unity versions that you can install. And for the camp, then we are going to be using Unity 2019.4.3 F1. And this is a LTS version, so a long-term supported Unity version, which just means that they're going to keep updating it and keeping it stable well into the future. So once you've selected your Unity version, you can click Next. And this is a page where you can add modules to our install. So really, there's only two modules that we need, so we can uncheck everything. You're going to need Microsoft Visual Studio, and that is our code editor for the camp, and it's directly, they have a plugin for Unity, so it works really nice alongside Unity. And the only other thing that we need is Windows build support if you're on a Windows PC, Mac build support if you are on a Mac computer, or Linux build support if you are on a Linux computer. So you're just going to check the one for the computer that you are currently using. I'm on a Windows PC, so I'm going to check Windows, and I can just click Next. So it will prompt you to agree to the terms and conditions for Visual Studio. You can just check the checkbox and hit Done. And it's going to take a minute. It will install our Unity version and all of our modules. And after that, then you are ready and set to go for the camp. So I look forward to seeing everybody in our future Unity camps.